Hey guys, what's going on? I got my iPod Classic here and I accidentally locked myself out of it. Uh, Honestly, I just don't have the passcode for it, so I'm unable to get into it, but I kind of want to get into it to use the iPod, so I'm going to show you guys today how you can get past this step. It's pretty straightforward, not too bad. All you got to do is get the proper cord. First, you plug it into your iPod like so, and that's gonna connect to your computer. It says connected. Uh, oh, see, sometimes it does this to me. It doesn't connect right away, but if you give it a moment, maybe give the wire a little jiggle, it'll connect. It's not connecting. See, this is an example of the problem that you might run into, but if you just play around with it, it'll eventually connect. Come on, connect. Okay, there we go. See, and then right as that happened, it appeared on my computer. So now we are going to go into that. Go into your Finder window. It'll appear as one of the drives. So you can go into it and you'll get a whole list of all these settings. From what the directions tell me to do on the internet, it just tells me to go into the Finder window and then press the restore button. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click restore. Now I'm pretty sure this will wipe all my data on the iPod Classic, but that's all right. I won't be able to access it anyway because I don't have the password. So we're just gonna click restore. What does this say? Update any rented movies. Okay, I don't think I rented any movies on here, so we're just gonna accept all that and agree, and hopefully this solves the problem. Oh, it's asking for my password. It was just a password into my Mac. Your Mac is restoring the software on this iPod. Okay, so that's pretty cool, guys. It looks like it might be working. If that works, then I'll be able to get access back into my iPod Classic and I'll be up and running again. If this all goes fine and dandy and I'm able to get back in, I might actually try installing a different operating system because the default one is a little bit not of my taste, and I heard of this other one on the internet called Rockblock. Yeah, Rockblock I think is the name of the other operating system. So yeah, it's just another operating system. Yeah, you guys may be wondering like why I would be using an iPod Classic when I got my iPad right here, and I got my phone, my beautiful smartphone right there, but I actually came across a job where I'm not allowed to use a smart device. I can only use non-smart device, and iPods are not that intelligent I mean, they are. I shouldn't say that, but they accept them, and I just want it to be more than just listening to music or playing podcasts. I want to be able to take notes, and yeah, so I feel like having a different operating system that's a little bit more customizable will give me the opportunity to expand on my iPod usage. So yeah, I'm actually pretty excited to start using the iPod again. It's definitely a classic, and I can see why they named this the iPod Classic now. It makes a whole lot of sense. So I don't know what's going on now. I'm hoping that I can actually get in. I hope that this actually works. Okay, we got a reset screen going. This is good news, guys. This is good news. We got the reset screen going, and it's booting. It's loading. Oh yes. Okay, so I'll come back to this. I know this video's kind of dragging on, and I don't think anybody would really watch 10 minutes of me trying to reinstall my iPod Classic. I mean, it's kind of a straightforward procedure, to tell you the truth. So just babbling on, because I got nothing else to do, I should actually turn off my happy light because it's 12 o'clock at night. I'm never going to be able to get to bed if I have this happy light on. Tell you the truth, guys, lights before you go to bed are just not good. Same, it's like eating. It's like eating a big meal before you go to bed. It's not good. Still waiting. Okay, we got something going on now. Your iPod software is up to date. You automatically check for an update again. So it looks like it did something, and now it's saying synchronizing, but I think it just does that occasionally. So I'm gonna try to eject it from my computer now. Eject. Oh, I hope I didn't fuck anything up. Okay, it's giving me the right of way to eject it, and we're in. We are in the iPod Classic. Oh, I think I ejected it too soon. Got a little too excited. But we are in, guys. It is a very straightforward procedure. All you gotta do is plug it in, and we are speaking. And the sound's back too. Holy shit, this is beautiful, guys. So yeah, let's pick our language. I do speak English. And this is beautiful, guys. So that is how. I don't want to keep you guys any longer because the rest is for you to just play around with. But that is how you get back into your iPod Classic if you forget the password to it. So I hope this video is helpful. And like I said, I will be trying to install Rockbox onto my iPod Classic next. So have a good day, guys, wherever you're at. Bye-bye.